1. Do not deceive yourself into being too proud because you're in a good or righteous environment, for there is no place that is better than Jannah, and our father Adam alayhi salam experienced there what is known to all. 2. Do not become proud merely because you worship often, for consider what happened to Iblis after he spent a great deal of time worshipping. 3. Do not think yourself great because you have met with righteous people, for there is no man more righteous than the Prophet ﷺ, yet the disbelievers and the hypocrites did not benefit by simply knowing him.